Hey guys, welcome back to the new video. Here we will solve the replace employee ID with the unique identifier problem number 1378. So we have two tables. So okay, so we have two tables, employees and employee unique. Employees table contains two columns, ID and name. ID is the primary key and name is the corresponding name of the employee. Employee unique contains ID and unique ID. ID is the ID of the employee and unique ID is the unique ID that is assigned to the particular employee. So basically this ID in employee uni is acting as a foreign key that is referencing to the ID of the employee table. What we want is write a solution to show the unique ID of each user. If a user does not have a unique ID, replace just show null. Return the result in any order. The result is given in the following format. So what we want is that suppose if you look at employees table, let's go through this example. If you see this employees table, it has 5 employees. Okay. In employee uni, we have only 3 employees. Means only 3 employees are assigned with the unique ID. So here in the output, the unique ID is shown for this only three employees. That's 1, 2, 3 with their corresponding name. Okay, like Jonathan, Winston, Mayor, and Alice and Bob. They are shown as a unique ID as none. Okay, so we want everything from employees table and only the unique IDs that are present from the employee unit table. So we will left join this table employees with the employees unit. See, let's say select. So I'll write select part later. From we are selecting from employees table employees. Let's give the alias as we are left joining this table because we want every record to be present from the employee table. Let's join employee uni. Give that U on which column we are doing this join. So we are doing that E dot ID equals to your U ID. So here we want name. We can just E dot name to get the name. But for unique ID, what we will do, we will write a case statement. Case. Case on which? Case on unique ID. Unique ID. U dot unique ID. So we're doing a case on unique ID. We're getting a when statement when your unique ID is null. Means when there is no record for the corresponding employee ID in the unique ID column, then we will put as null. Elsewise, basically what we will do is we'll just give the unique ID. We are ending this case statement over here and giving it the alias as unique ID. Comma. Now let me run this query. Yeah, so this query got accepted. The output matches with the desired expected output. Now let's go through our query once again to get a better understanding of what we have done. So the condition over here is that basically we want to get the unique ID for each employee and their corresponding name. Now unique ID is stored in the employee unit table. And if you look at unique ID, not every employee is assigned with a unique ID. Only some of the employees are assigned with a unique ID. For the employees, the unique ID is not assigned. We will display null in the unique ID column and their corresponding name. So for that purpose, the join we are using over here is left join because we want every record. Because if you consider this employee table and this employee unit table, you will see that not every record of the employee table is present. Not every employee is present in the employee unit table. Only some of the employees. So we will do a left join. Left join will ensure that every record from the left hand side and the matching record from the right hand side table. Okay. So what we are doing is that we are selecting from employees table. The left joining is the employee unit table. On that particular column, ID column, e dot id equal to u dot id, and we are using a case statement over here. Case statement to check which cases matches. So we are checking the case on unique ID column. Basically, here we are saying that if the unique ID is null, if the for the particular employees, if the for the particular employees in the employee table, if there is no unique ID in the employee unit table, we'll assign the null. We will assign the null. Else, we will assign the particular unique ID that is matching. We'll end that and we will assign it as a alias unique ID, and we are selecting e dot name from the employee table, and that's it. So that's it for this problem. Thank you.